Hey guys, it's Queenteshna here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry about the stuffy voiceover, but I really wanted to do a voiceover for this look. Today's Style Thursday is all about a wedding inspired look, and it's so simple and easy. Starting off, I'm going to do a curve parting at the front because it's all about the parting. I feel like the parting gives this look a different, a different feel. So I'm going to tie my hair up in a bun. I'm going to just try and slick it down as much as I can. I am going for a sleek look, so I'm going to stick my hair down with some Eco Styler gel, and it's very important that you start off with your hair very damp, as wet as you can, because I want to lay my hair very flat. So I'm going to brush it, and I'm going to keep brushing it and kind of laying it down and combing it until I get it to how I want it. I don't want any bumps or lumps or anything, or any frizziness, so I'm going to keep adding more water if I need to. It's all about very sleek, very laid, and that's what I'm going for. And I'm using a denim brush just to make sure I haven't got any kinks or bumps away. And I feel like when you comb your hair out properly, it kind of emphasizes the sleek look, and that's how you achieve it. So I'm going to tie my hair into a side pony. Very easy, very simple. And I'm using this Kanekalon hair that I got from PAX, and I put a name down in the description box. And you've seen me do this 100 times, literally. So simple. So I'm going to attach that now to my bun, and I'm going to use the hair. So I'm going to tie it up in a regular bun, nothing fancy, and then I'm going to flip the hair around to hide my natural hair, and voila, look at that. I got myself an extra side pony. Using this hair from underneath, I'm going to use a wrap around just to hide the hairband. So I'm securing that in with a bobby pin, and I have to say I did struggle securing it with a bobby pin, guys. It looks easy on camera, but I did struggle a bit. Obviously sort out my baby hairs, then wrap my hair up for like 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes I'm going to take my hair down and it should be sleek. If I wasn't doing this for YouTube, I will probably wrap it for half an hour or more. And then this is the finished look. You can wear this out. I've been rocking this. If you follow me on Instagram, you see me rock this. Now, for it to be like wedding-y and more like formal occasion, just wrap it into a bun. And you can see I changed my earrings as well, just to kind of make it a little bit more formal, a bit more fun. I'm just going to pin it into place, literally. This took me, what, 10 minutes to do? Yeah, 10 minutes. So I'm going to pin that in. And I would suggest using the proper hairpins rather than your regular bobby pins. And tuck in any bits, and then for extra accessory, I'm actually going to add these pins. You normally put them on your box braids. I don't know what they're called, so I'm going to add that all over my hair just to kind of give it a different look. Also, if you have like pearls, I think that would go as well. And this is the finished look, guys. Look how simple and easy that was. That's it. You have yourself a wedding guest inspired look. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure that you give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate it if you did. Like, share with your friends and family, or anybody you find that, anyone that will find this video helpful. As usual guys, thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next video.